calling all creatures of the night.
Yay! So we have some super cool things.
This is making me really giddy inside.
So these are the 2 polishes that come inside the box. The first color is high voltage P137.
Hold up.
Turn off the light. Here we go. Tiana charged it with her gel lamp. This is so cool. Neon yellow color.
And it looks so nice and glowy.
It's so pretty. So again, this is a regular polish, not intended for stamping. Please don't use it for stamping.
And wait, there's more.
The special surprise gift this month is our glow-in-the-dark stickers. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at her. Isn't it cute? Look at the ghost.
Oh my gosh, that looks so cute.
It's full on glowing. Don't we just love that? Give us a ghost if you love seeing this cute little glowing ghost. It is amazing and so much fun.